people, welcome once again to hellohnclothing. Welcome to another beautiful video, okay? Yay! Can you see I've changed my settings? I hope you guys know, please, just look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Guys, I'm still waiting to launch this. And I'm going to be launching this with another Sew With Me challenge. You girls are fantastic. No, sorry, you guys. I know I have male on here that also follow and do the designing stuff as well. Okay, so we have another Sew With Me challenge. Thanks and big ups to those that participated on the last one. Guys, you were fantastic. Special shout out to Jamila all the way from Kenya. You are fantastic, girl. Can you see this girl literally always, every day? Sorry that I'm calling you girl. I know you're a woman. So this woman literally every day sent me her patterns, videos when she went fabric shopping. You are fantastic. Shout out to Camille as well. Camille the analyzer. That lady can analyze. She's already analyzing and seeing the correlation between what she used to do and what she knows now. Shout out to Melissa. You know you're my homie. I'm still waiting to see you. I know you've done your buddies, but finish up, girl. Finish up. Shout out to I didn't get most of you names, but shout out to you guys. See your body's patterns. You finished and you actually sent a picture. Okay, and shout out to Yusuf as well. Well done. Big ups to you. You guys are amazing. I'm sure you're checking out what they did here. And yes, most of you on here, you were commenting every single day of that challenge. That's why I didn't still see your picture or what you did. K Hutch, well done. And yeah, I'm gonna put your names for those regular commenters. You are fantastic. Thank you so very much for making that a fun challenge. So we're gonna be doing another one. But here's the thing. I have been trying to see what should we do? What should we do? What should we do that will not take so much time so that we don't use 1 week, because time is money, and I know most of you on here have other things you're doing, so you don't just get stuck on this challenge. So we're going to do either of these pictures here, okay? So I want you to make a pick. It's just either of these pictures. We're not doing anything outside. It's something that can be functional for you, something that just think about the functionality. We are going to sew together, and yeah, we'll be launching our machine with that Sew With Me challenge. I hope I'm not digressing. Okay, so there is this picture here, this image, this dress we have here. It has mesh in it. You can use nips cover, like to cover the nippies, and there's also that's just basically to mesh, sequins, and possibly a nips cover. Yeah, that's all. That is all for this image, and a zipper at the back. On the other hand, we have this other image here. So this one, just your sequins fabric with elastic. That is all. So I'll be waiting to see which of this you're going to pick. Is it the more like the wrap sequins dress, or the mesh infused sequins dress? Both of them are going to be used with sequins. The materials you need for this are very, very minimal. So which of them would you want to see us try out in this challenge? Please, I'll just give you about 2 days, 48 hours to make your votes. And the one that has the highest number of votes is what we are going to be working on in this challenge. Yeah. Also, guys, before we even talk about the votes, before the 48 hours is up, the prerequisites for you joining in on this challenge. Wait, you know what I want to say now? Let me show you. The prerequisites for joining in on this challenge is your basic bodice pattern. So that will show that you're actually a very good student. That will show that you actually participated in the last one. And that will show that you are ready for this new one. So guys, go ahead to watch the previous Sew With Me challenge so that you can do this. I know that this is not, it's not like, what will I say now? I know this is not like constant, right? I know this is not like constant that, oh, okay, for any design you want to do, you must have your basic bodies. But for us on here, guys, I'm just teaching you what I do, okay? So your basic bodies pattern is very vital, important, and that's what we'll be using for this other Sew With Me challenge we're going to be embarking on, okay? So yeah. Okay guys, wait, hold on, we are not through. Introducing, based on popular demand. Drum roll please. Introducing guys, based on popular demand, as a result of all the messages I get, most of the feedbacks, emails, WhatsApp, Instagram DMs, that has to do with the struggles of a designer, that has to do with structuring your business, that has to do with getting styles right, that has to do with fittings of clothes and designs, coming up with new, fresh ideas, that has to do with all of this, guys. We're introducing a support group, guys. It's going to be launching live in September. Did you hear that? First week in September, we're going to be launching our support group. And guys, because of the value you'll be getting on there, because of how you're going to be held literally, this is a group, your hands will be held all through this group, yeah? In that group, we're going to be talking about our struggles as designers. We're going to be talking about structuring your businesses. We're going to be talking about things like styles, coming up with new ideas. We'll communicate, that communication with your fellow designers. That's bonding. Well, I say bonding. Most times we walk blindly, we walk on our own. We don't have that community that designers, tailors need to have. Guys, we're going to be introducing a support group that's going to help us sort this out. This is not like classes. Classes is different. You want classes, you want one-on-one classes, all of that. That one is different. But this one, it's a group that's created for designers, for tailors, for creatives. Guys, if you want to be part of this group is just a monthly subscription group. You know how you subscribe for your data now, you know how you subscribe for all of these things, DSTV, subscribe for light, whatever, water, all those things you do subscribe for, and it's actually coming at a very subsidized rate. See, I'll be telling you more about it as we go on in the Sew With Me challenge. So if you're going to be interested, I know, not if, you need to be part of that group. Because aside from the fact that we are going to be sharing all of these things, there will also be things we're going to be learning on there monthly. So it's like monthly, you're paying a very subsidized fee for the community, for helping you out with whatever challenge you have. And then you're also going to be learning at that subsidized rate. Like, please, my mind is blown away already. Like I did not have such. I paid through my nose for my classes for where I've gotten to right now. But see, some people have said I just give. Right now, you matter. You matter right now. You matter, and because you matter, this is coming at a very subsidized rate. Okay, so while we're going on, I'm going to give you more details. I'm going to give you how to go about payment. I'm going to tell you about how to pay. Just see, best believe that the money is what you used to buy coffee, used to buy, like it's not even up to what you even used to. What's the most cheapest thing? I don't even know what's the cheapest thing in Nigeria right now. It's not even up to buying shawarma in a restaurant. See what you'll be paying, okay? So, and it's coming with all those benefits. So guys, you need to jump in, take advantage. You know, the thing about all this thing is people that actually benefit the most are people that come on board. The first set of people that come on board, anything that is introduced, the first set of people that come on board are actually the one that gets the best out of it, you know. Before there's now duplicates, there's now fake everywhere and everywhere. Before it's now saturated and you're getting watered down content. Right now, you need to be the first partaker of this support group, okay? So yeah, more details will be coming on as we go along with our Sew With Me challenge. Do not forget to get the materials you need for either of these styles we're going to be doing. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. You guys are fantastic, amazing. Thank you for making this possible. Special shout out to Camille, to Melissa, to you guys are just the best. Thank you so much. And to the rest of you, please comment and talk with me so I know your names as well. Special shout out to Tonya as well. How could I forget? Tonya sent a surgeon to me. I'm sure it's going to get to me real soon. Special shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing, okay? And yeah, till we see in our next tutorial. Special shout out to can you imagine? My husband is here saying shout him out too. Special shout out to my husband. God bless you for me. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so we'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay safe, God bless you all. Bye.